If Google Chrome is not installing on your Windows 11 computer, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Chrome installed quickly and safely. This is one of those problems that can happen for a few different reasons, including temporary system issues, blocked downloads, antivirus interference, permission problems, or even low storage space. So instead of guessing, we're going to go through the proper troubleshooting process together. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is restart your computer. It may sound basic, but a restart can clear out temporary glitches that might be preventing Google Chrome from installing properly. To do this, click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Once your computer boots back up, try the installation again before moving on to the next step. Next, open another browser such as Microsoft Edge and go directly to the official Google Chrome download page. This is very important because you always want to use Google's official installer instead of a third-party website. Using the official source helps avoid corrupted downloads and make sure you're getting the latest safe version of Chrome. Once you're on the Chrome download page, download the installer file and save it to your computer. If the installer still does not work, the next thing to check is your antivirus or security software. Sometimes antivirus programs, real-time protection, or firewall settings can block the Chrome installer from running correctly. Temporarily turn off your antivirus software, real-time protection, and firewall protection just long enough to test the installation. After that, try running the installer again. Now, very important, once you've finished installing Chrome, make sure you turn your protection back on right away so your system stays secure. If Chrome still refuses to install, the next step is to run the installer as an administrator. Find the downloaded file, usually named ChromeSetup.exe, right-click it, and then choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer full system permissions, which can solve issues caused by limited access or blocked system actions. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. After that, let the installer finish and see if Chrome installs correctly. Another thing you should always check is your available storage space. Open this PC and look at your main system drive, usually the C drive, to make sure you have enough free space. If your drive is almost full, Chrome may fail to install or stop partway through the process. If needed, delete unnecessary files, empty your recycle bin, or free up storage before trying again. After clearing space, rerun the Chrome installer. By the end of these steps, most Windows 11 installation problems with Google Chrome should be resolved. A simple restart using the official download, temporarily disabling blocking security software, running the installer as administrator, and checking storage are the most effective fixes to try first. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.